Coming to Videocassette.
SpongeBob's coming to video and DVD!
Yo-ho, the sponge is in town.
With 10 episodes that are something to see.
His body is yellow and his pants are brown.
If nautical tales make you get up and dance.
Jerry's a snail, not a hound.
You'll be splitting your sides, you'll be splitting your pants.
Yo-ho, soaking wet, he weighs less than a pound.
Ahoy, mateys! SpongeBob's a-comin' for the first time on video and DVD. It's nautical nonsense and Sponge Buddies. See SpongeBob himself in all his jellyfish and Krabby Patty flippin' glory.
What a great day.
Love that SpongeBob.
And his first mate Patrick, full of gleeful angst.
I was one of the beautiful people. Now look at me.
And Sandy Cheeks, shiver me timbers. You don't want to mess with that lassie.
Don't you dare take the name of Texas in vain.
You go, squirrel.
And Squidward, Mr. Krabs, Gary the Snail. It's the whole gang from Bikini Bottom. SpongeBob at his finest, I tell ye. Nautical nonsense and Sponge Buddies. Two must-see rip-roaring epics.
We give it 4 starfish.
Never before has a sponge been so absorbing.
Tour Bikini Bottom without putting on a wetsuit.
'Tis 10 splashy episodes of SpongeBob at his swabbiest. Nautical nonsense and Sponge Buddies. Coming to Videocassette and DVD, March 2002. SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants.
Now available on Videocassette.
It's Nick Jr., here comes the show now. Nick Jr.'s on video. Get ready, get set, let's go. It's Nick Jr. on video.
Available now on video. Look for Nick Jr.'s newest shows. From Bill Cosby and Nick Jr. comes Little Bill.
Hello, friend.
Who shows everyone it's great to be 5.
Good morning, good morning. It's a happy day today. Hi, I'm Dora. How do we get to the little blue tree?
And there's no shortage of play-along adventure with Dora the Explorer.
Come on, vámonos. Everybody, let's go.
Both available now on Videocassette. Also look for Little Bear. Be a detective with Little Sherlock Bear.
A mystery for Detective Little Bear.
And think along with Steve to find out what Blue wants in all kinds of signs and playtime with Periwinkle. 2 new videos from Blue's Clues.
Thank you so much for all your help today.
You can collect them all on home video. Plus, keep an eye out for Blue's first feature-length hit, Blue's Big Musical Movie, on Videocassette and DVD.
It's Nick Jr., here comes the show now. Nick Jr.'s on video. Get ready, get set, let's go. It's Nick Jr. on video.
Kids love Maurice Sendak's Little Bear.
Hello down there.
And now there's even more to love. Because Little Bear is starring in his first feature-length film.
Yay!
It's the Little Bear movie.
You're funny, Little Bear.
You can join Little Bear and his pals as they help their new friend Cub find his way back home.
Oh, can I go too?
We can all go. Follow me.
Featuring 2 new songs. It's Little Bear's first feature-length movie. Now available on video.
Hold on, guys. I got the wedgie.
Rugrats in Paris, the movie.
Here we go.
The Rugrats are going to Paris. And Paris will never be the same. Rugrats in Paris, the movie.
You're just as dumb over sneeze as you are at home. Somebody got up on the wrong side of the bread.
Your votes are in! You've selected the 10 best Rugrats episodes of the past decade.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing
The new Rugrats 10th Anniversary Decade in Diapers Collector's Edition. 10 Rugrats episodes you voted the best of all time, now on 2 videos.
This is the greatest thing that's ever happened.
Share the laughter. The fears.
We're doomed.
The adventures.
Boldly go where no baby's ever gone before.
The diapers. The Rugrats Decade in Diapers. The 10 best Rugrats episodes ever in a 2-volume collector's edition. As chosen by... No, you, and you. And here's another reason to celebrate. Look for the Rugrats like you've never seen them before in All Grown Up, available now. So celebrate the Rugrats 10th anniversary with a Decade in Diapers collector's edition and the Rugrats All Grown Up, available now wherever videos are sold. And now we're pleased to bring you our feature presentation.
Hi there, Face here. Do you know what sound a cow makes? A cow says moo. Now I have a message for all the cows out there watching. Moo, 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 moo. That's cow talk for you're watching Nick Jr. Moo.